Guys, today I'll be going to discuss about the basic adding programming of Java. So guys, let's start that. And here in my today's video, I'll show that the adding function add division, subtraction, or multiplication of two or three numbers. So I saw these things in varieties process, so see it carefully. So at first you can see that the here it is written that to do auto generated methods of stuff. So I'll be change this by it is simply that what I am doing you can written here, so I written that adding two number. Okay guys, adding two number. So in this programming we will be going to adding two number, and this is the things which is the very important things for the programming, for your knowledge. This is the most important thing anyway. So here you can know that in my previous video I say that if you want to print anything, so you want to write system.out.println. so we are written that system system.out.println. okay, so okay guys, you can see that the println. okay, so guys, here we can written anything like I want to add 12. oh no 12 and 12 plus you can take the 20. So you can see the output. So guys, now I will be going to run this programming. So how to run? Right click and then run as, and then fast Java application. So here you can see the output. Here it is too small, but it you cannot resize this, so adjust with this output. So you can see that is the 32, and 12 plus 20, it is the 32. So it is the way, and I'll be going to show the another way how to print that. So I erase this value. So now I'll be going to taking the input, and it is mostly in my previous video I show that how to take input in Java programming. So how to take input, that see carefully. At first you want to know int. okay, then it is the most common thing to take I or ij. So I take I, and I assigning the value of I is assume that 12. okay, and here I am taking the next value of j. I want to take for j value 20. okay, so I taken that I and j value. Here you can see that. So now what I am do, so I want to print the I and j value. So here simply I written that I plus j. okay, so here I plus j, you can see that the here isn't any error. So I can run this. So it is the run as and fast Java application, and you can see that the 32 is the value. And if I change this with like 26, so it is the so is output. You can take any value, so you can take the, see that it is 38, 12 plus 26, 38. Now I'll be going to show you the auto multiplication of two number. So see carefully. I and j value is I take in here. I is 12 and j is 26. You want to retain the, for multiplication you want to retain the multiplication sign. So I replace the plus with multiplication sign. So it is the multiplication sign, and I am going to run this programming. So how to run as, and then first Java application. So you can see that the 12 into 26 is 312. So that is the multiplication of two number. So now guys, I am going to show you the minus of I and j. So how to subtract of number. So simply replace the multiplication function with minus. So now run this programming. So first Java application, and you can see that it is said that it is minus 14. 12 minus 26, it is the minus 14. So I will be going to show you the division of two number. So it is the division function here. So here you can 12 by 26. So see that it is printed 0. Why it is printed 0? Because of it is coming in a decimal number, and it cannot print a decimal number if you cannot define here the double function, because that it cannot shows you the point function. So I quite change the value here. I replace with 6. Okay, now see that the output. Okay, run as in my first application. So here you can see that it is the 12 by 6 is equal to 2. It is the 2, and it is the thing you can see that or remember that you cannot print any division or point value or decimal value without any double function. So you at first you define the double function, and then you can print the point function, point number. So I am going to see you in this video the one more thing, which is the if else programming. So see that carefully. I simply taken a condition, and in else function I'll be said that it is true or not. I checking that by if else. So it is mostly I write this by in beginner level. I written the if else programming in beginner level. It is quite easier for you. Let's see. So guys, now you can see that I am came in a fresh page. So here you can see that I written things which is I written in below, which is the basic if else code. So see that you know C or C++. If you know that C or C++, you know that what is if else programming mostly. So it is the quite different of C or C++, because Java is the separate language and C or Kotlin is this all as the different coding languages. So here it is defined as the here I'll be going to show you the beginners level if else coding of Java. If you cannot haven't any if else knowledge, it isn't matter. See it carefully. So at first I taken the input, which is how we can take the input. At first we written the int, and then I take the I. and I assigning the value that the 20. Okay, so now if and else programming, I here put the if condition. So at first written if, and then oh sorry, then open bracket and close bracket. So here we want to write the code. So I want to take here a condition which is, if I less than 0, I want to print that the code with only. So how to write that? It's very simple. See that the if I less than equal or I take that the I less than equal 20. Okay, if I taken the I less than equal 20, and here it say carefully, here it is the rule of Java or Eclipse, that is the if after the if function you want to write the open parenthesis and close parenthesis. So it is normal, and here it is written that the if what I want to print. So okay, so now I'll be written here that code with oni. Okay, code with oni, and each if condition has a else. So see here that in next position I'll be written the else, which is ELAC, and then the open parenthesis and close parenthesis also, and then I want to print that here it is the I want to print here that let's assume false. So now you can see that the here it is not any error. So we can run this code. So see this code, run as and Java application, and it is the code with oni, because here you see the mechanism, which is if I less than equal to 20, print the code with oni, or otherwise other numerical value if that is it is states or else if I less than I not equal not less than 20, print the false. If I had taken 19, if suppose I am here taken 19, so now see that so run as Java, and this called the false, because the it is the less than 19 and it is less than 20, so it is called it is false. If I had taken the 29 and then run as, so it is said that code with oni, you can see that. So guys, in my today's videos it is the enough things for beginners level. So if in my next video I'll be show or teach you the data structure and algorithms, a part of data structure. So see the next video, and if this video is helpful, please like, share and subscribe.